All I can see is Nico going into places where he should not be going. I'm saying that out loud because I'm trying to get him to stop. Okay, let's get a little bit of bronzer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Nina Ubhi, I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a 10-minute makeup tutorial. It's timed, so we can definitely do it in 10 minutes, so stick around because it's going to be quick. And also the great thing is I'm going to be showing you how you can create a flawless base in 10 minutes. So I'm going to be showing you how you can kind of create that whole underpainting technique so that you get that soft focus kind of like look in your foundation, and how you can just keep it on all day. Now if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'm over on Instagram, so please do come say hi there too. Now let's head straight into the video. So you guys really enjoyed my 5-minute makeup tutorial where I timed it and I showed you how I could do my makeup in 5 minutes. And a lot of you were saying, I have around 10 minutes roughly in the morning. Like, what can I do in 10 minutes and how good can I make my makeup look? So I thought, let me show you how you can create a really flawless base, and it's really easy in 10 minutes. Now, another thing I'm going to be showing you is the underpainting technique in a very easy way. So I know a lot of you, like guys who follow this channel, you understand what the underpainting technique is. A lot of you have transitioned into that now and you absolutely love it. But also it is a little bit time consuming, and especially when you want to get it really flawless and really perfect. So I thought, let me try and figure out a way that we can still create that underpainting effect, but in 10 minutes, and it's really easy to do. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to do the underpainting technique and obviously finish off whatever else we can in the 10 minutes. And I'm really excited about this because I think it's going to be a game changer for you when it comes to doing that using that whole technique in the morning or wherever you're going out when you've only got 10 minutes. Okay, so I think it's about time to put the timer on. I've already got my skincare on because I did that this morning in the bathroom. And let's go to timer on my watch and we'll pick 10 minutes. Oh god, it's just literally going to start as soon as I hit it. So should I just have a quick sip of coffee? Yeah, why not? To get me going. Oh my god, it's so hot. Let's see if I can get a quick sip of coffee in the middle of doing this 10-minute tutorial. Okay, right. I'm just like getting my, getting my head right, getting in the right mindset, guys. My main thing I'm aiming for, see how I was like trying to delay it a little bit? My main thing I'm aiming for is a flawless base. Like the rest of the face, as long as I can kind of like get some kind of contouring in, then I'm good to go. Maybe a little bit of blush, just to add some color. I'm really more concerned about my base and contouring. Lashes, like I already have my semi-permanent lashes on, my lash extensions, so there's not much I need to do with that anyway. But obviously if you did have like an extra 30 seconds or so, you could easily just do a couple of like coats of mascara. But obviously we want to get the brows done too. Moving on, let's start. Now obviously I'm going to talk you through it as much as I can without wasting any time, but ultimately we want to get this done. And I'm not going to go through every single product with you, but it will come up on screen hopefully. Otherwise, it's going to be in the description listed below with all the links so that you can just click on it and take you straight to it. And there might be a bit of banging in between. I'm really like taking my time here to start. But because I'm like throwing stuff because you've only got 10 minutes. And realistically, that's what happens when you only have 10 minutes. You're not like, very carefully like looking around and like trying to pick things out, very carefully. You're just like, whatever. It's all over the place. Okay, let's go. 10 minutes. Go. Okay, I'm going to get my Kat Von D Good Apple Serum Foundation. And I'm just kind of like putting that on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to get my brush, which is my Sigma F47. And I'm just going to whack this all over my face. Let's just make this super quick, guys. I've literally got no one to like kind of like hype me up. So I'm just hyping up myself. I've got no one there saying, yeah, you can do it. You can do it. So I'm just like literally just going to be talking to myself. I know when you guys watch this, you're going to be hyping me up because so many of you guys say that when you're watching it, you're just like, oh my God, is she going to do it? You can do it. Okay, we've got a nice like kind of even layer all over my face, but obviously my eyelids are pretty dark. I didn't actually get good sleep last night whatsoever. We're going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape. And gonna just put some on the eyelids here. And gonna get our beauty blender and just kind of like buff that in. And then we want to get our powder, and mine is the Benai banana powder. And we're going to just basically buff this in. I mean, like, put the powder on. And I'm just using my powder puff, and this is just going to make sure that literally there are no kind of like there's no creasing or anything. What's the time? Okay, I've got 8 minutes, roughly. Okay. Okay. Oh, now we're gonna put on this concealer. I don't care how much I'm putting on, guys, because I just need to get a really nice flawless base. So you see how we put a layer of foundation on first. I'll talk through this properly after. But we put a layer of foundation first. I don't know why I'm like, okay. Yeah, and then we went in with our concealer. So you're going to see that this is going to give us a really nice bright under eye, but obviously it's not underpainting yet, right? So we're going to get that nice kind of flawless finish on the under eye area like this. And if you feel that you need more concealer, then obviously go in with it. I have this feeling I need a little bit more. Tiny bit. I can just, it's because my dark circles are so bad today because I just didn't, like, I just couldn't sleep last night. Okay. Now, whatever's left on this sponge, I am just gonna, let me just check the time. Oh my God, 6 minutes. I'm gonna take this like on other areas that I don't mind kind of like brightening up. Oh my God, my arm is aching from that. Why is my arm aching from that? I'm gonna put a little bit more foundation on the back of my hand. This is where we're gonna kind of like underpaint. We're gonna apply this foundation over the face again, primarily under the under eyes, because that's gonna give us that nice soft focus effect. And you can kind of like, I would suggest obviously doing your contouring before I just applied this, but I forgot to be completely honest with you. This is my e.l.f. like dark concealer, which I use. I think that's enough. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm just going to buff this in. So yeah, I probably would have put this on first so that we could then kind of go over with a little bit of foundation, but it's fine. We can do that now. And then now you can go over with whatever foundation you've got on the back of your hand. Oh my God, what is the time? It's 5 minutes left. Okay, see how we still get that really nice kind of soft focus effect? Now we're going to go in with our powder. So I've got it in. Oh my God, that scared me. That scared the life out of me. That was Nico. Oh my God, did you see me, guys? We're going to have to like look back at that. Right? I saw my face literally. I was so scared. That's funny. Okay. Okay, anyway. So see how we put the powder everywhere? Okay. Oh my God, I need a tissue. I need a tissue. Where am I going to get tissue from? Totally going out of frame here. I'm just going to get... Oh my God, wet wipes. So many wet wipes came out. Okay. Right. No, why? What package? From where? No, just tell him we don't want it then, because I don't... We can't abort. I've got 4 minutes left. Okay, I've got 4 minutes left. Okay, guys, Babe, shut the door. Shut the door. Let me carry on. Oh my God, that is just real life. That's real life drama. Okay, 4 minutes. Basically, what happened was a DHL delivery guy came because brands obviously send me stuff and sometimes they don't pay the duties and it's like, you need to pay before you send it because obviously I don't even ask for this stuff. So when they send it and then there's a pay, like an amount to pay, I'm like, I don't even know what it is. So I hope that makes sense. 3 minutes. Okay, we can do this. Now Nico's in the room. Do you know what? I could have aborted that, but guys, for you guys, I'm like, no way. I'm not aborting it. Okay, so what should we do? Yeah, eyebrows. Okay, let's go ahead with this. Let's just kind of like shape the brows. Obviously, we can't be dealing with, we don't have to deal with like hair strokes or anything. We just want to get our shape done. I think I wasted about like a minute there. Okay. 2 minutes 45, okay. I think we can do it still. My main aim was getting a nice flawless base and being able to like do the brows. You like shape them nicely, which I think we're managing to do. Oh my God, I just got like a little, I'm sure I can take that off after, you know what I mean. 2 minutes. I always feather in because I just feel like it looks more natural. Okay, gonna get a little bit of lip color. Let's get a little bit of blush. Get this Kylie peach blush. All I can see is Nico going into places where he should not be going. I'm saying that out loud because I'm trying to get him to stop. Okay, let's get a little bit of bronzer. 1 minute, guys. Let's now get, I've got to be able to contour my nose. Come on. I've got to be able to do that at least. If I can contour my nose, that would be great. Because I wanted to get all my contouring done. A little bit of highlight there. A little bit of highlight on the cheeks. And then just carry on with the bronzer I'm prioritizing. I am really happy with what we've done considering we had an interruption. It's done. 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes, and do we have a flawless base? I think we do. Like, I'm super happy with this. I'm way more happy with this look than what I got on my 5-minute look, because I feel like with this look, my skin still looks flawless. I still look like I've got good makeup. I don't look like I've rushed it. I definitely do not look like I've done this in 10 minutes. I feel like it's let me just turn this off because it's like continuously buzzing. Yeah, I feel like it's a really good way to do a flawless base in 10 minutes. Like, it's so much easier to do if you generally find underpainting difficult. So even if you're not looking for like a 10-minute tutorial and you are just looking for an easier way to do the underpainting technique, this is a great option for you because it's just so much easier for you. You don't have to like worry about, okay, what goes first. Just put a layer of foundation on, put the concealer where you want, and then sandwich that concealer in. That's a good trend. Like, you know, like rather, because it's not fully underpainting. What can we call this trend? And can we kind of like make it go viral maybe? So you're basically sandwiching your concealer in between your foundation. So yeah, I think that is I feel like it gives you a really flawless look, and it's not like fully kind of underpainting. I don't know why I'm so like, you know, because like 10 minutes and like I got interrupted and I'm all flustered now. So yeah, so hopefully you've seen that you can do your makeup in 10 minutes and you can get like a really nice lip look, a bit of color on the cheeks. You've got that nice sculpting going on and your skin looks flawless. Now, don't forget, I do have my vlog channel. I would love for you guys to head over there and hit subscribe and show me some support there. Also, there is actually a new video up. Well, it's not too new, but you know, recently uploaded it. And it is about how I got to where I am. So if any of you are interested in kind of my journey to beauty entrepreneurship, then head over and watch that video because I think you're going to love it. Grab yourself a coffee or a cup of tea and sit down and just enjoy, because it's all about how I got to where I am and what I went through to get there. And I hope you enjoy it. But anyway, wherever you are in the world, I'm sending you loads of good vibes. I really do hope you've enjoyed the video today. And if you want to see any more kind of like timed makeup tutorials, let me know in the comments box below and let me know what you want to see in that 10 minutes or that 15 minutes or even that 5 minutes. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care and I'll see you soon.